All right, mealtime.
No, it's my chocolate bar, Mia.
No, wait, Max, it's mine. Give it.
That's enough, you two. Let's settle this with a challenge. Whoever has the most points in the end gets a chocolate.
Okay, that sounds fun.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let the challenge begin. This challenge is gonna be a gold versus chocolate challenge. Let's see what we got for the first round.
Ooh, chocolate ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream. I love ice cream.
All right, lift your lips, unless you're too chicken.
What?
Nobody calls us chicken.
Yeah. Is this chocolate chicken?
Whoa, golden chicken.
Oh wow, that looks so good. Let me try mine. Ooh. Chocolate and chicken don't go together at all. Mia, can I have some of yours?
Sorry, Max, I'm almost done.
Oh.
All done.
Nice job, Mia. Looks like you got a point. Sorry, Max, you didn't get any points. You didn't even eat your food. Let's move on to the next round. This show's gonna last a little bit longer, so I'm gonna get comfortable.
Whoa.
Let's continue with the challenge. Next round is pickles.
Chocolate pickles? This should be interesting.
Gold pickles? These gotta be good. This tastes rich.
Nice, Max. Your turn to eat it, Mia.
Okay, here I go. So gross.
Congrats, guys. You guys both get points.
Yeah.
Let's get to work on this next round. This round is tools.
Oh, you can never go wrong with chocolate. I love pliers.
Ooh, those look so good. Now it's my turn. Gold pliers? I've never tried these before. Oh! Those aren't candy.
Ooh, sorry, Mia. Those are actually tools, not food.
It's gold versus chocolate, not gold food.
I'm gonna use these tools to break out.
Hey, not on my watch.
Oh man.
Just for that, you're not getting a point. Max, you get a point.
Yes.
Let's start the next round. You guys will get a kick out of this one.
Huh?
This round is shoes.
Ooh, golden heels. These are so pretty. Ready for a fashion show?
Yeah, fashion. I'm gonna eat my chocolate now. That's a lot of chocolate.
Man, I wish I had some chocolate right now.
Maybe you'll get chocolate the next round, Mia. You guys both get points.
Yeah.
This round will be the richest one yet. See? Gold bars.
Oh yes, I'm rich.
Hahaha, mine is bigger. Huh? Wow! This is the biggest chocolate bar I've ever seen.
Yeah, but you're not rich.
I don't even care. This is so hard to eat. It's like a real gold brick.
Congrats, guys. You guys both get points. Sorry, Max. You can't keep the gold bar.
What?
Come on.
No. Oh, I thought I was gonna be rich. Aww.
Hope you guys are thirsty because the next round is drinks.
Ooh, this looks so cool. It tastes like apple juice. So good.
Oh, this is probably chocolate milk. Oh, this is chocolate and apple juice. Gross. Ugh.
Nice. You guys both get points. Sorry you didn't like yours, Max. The next round is gonna be too big to fit under these lids. Let's switch them out. Make sure to eat everything if you want a point.
Whoa! Chocolate pizza! Mmm, so good!
Whoa, golden pizza? This looks so cool! Mmm, this one's good!
Oh, it's so good, but I'm so full. I don't think I can eat anymore.
Too bad for you, Mia. I'm gonna win.
Congratulations, Max, you get a point. Sorry, Mia, you didn't get any points. Let's move on. Okay, guys, this is chocolate popcorn and this is gold popcorn. You guys need to finish all of it to get a point. Let's start.
Chocolate popcorn? Oh, I can eat this easy.
Golden popcorn, it matches myself!
Oh, I finished mine, but I'm so full now.
I ate so much. I have 42 carrots inside of me.
Nice job, guys. You guys both get a point, which means Max wins.
Yes!
Here's your prize, Max.
Oh, I don't even want chocolate anymore. Oh.
Alright, I guess I'll eat. Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!